Alright, out here in Spring Hill looking at a 68 Coronet. And bumper doesn't look too bad. It's got one little dent right here pushing it in, but I might be able to get that out. And it's got a decent radiator in it. Not sure what motor that is. I think it says 340 right there on the top. 340. Got the Edelbrock on there, some headers, power steering pump, alternator bracket. Inner fenders are nice on this car. Not rusted out at all. Got a fender tag on it there. Hood pins, 6-pack hood. Well, a flat hood that was turned into a 6-pack hood. Got the little rubber piece here. Might need that. Core support's all really good too. And that lower balance pan. So probably definitely come back tomorrow and get that. Wheels are gone. Front fenders aren't too bad. A little bit of rot in the bottom, but they're not all banged up or anything. Door looks pretty straight. It's got Krager's on the back. Got the glass in it. This side's got the inner door panel. Bottom of the door is all fiberglassed up. Looks like it used to be a maroon color or something. Rocker panels are starting to rust out right here. Got the door latches, the rubber here for the window. Still has a factory radio in it. All the dials. Column shift car. Probably started out as a 318. That door is rusted out over there too. You can see that. Bucket seats, not factory. Back of the car is actually pretty nice. The floors, the rear pan section of it is pretty good. Has the cranks for the window. The light, interior light. It's got a couple of bows. See this one here and that one there. Might need that. Has all the trim around the rear glass and the rear glass. Pretty nice damn car, to be honest with you. Roof's kind of caved in right here. That's not good, but step back and give you an overall look at that thing. Just sitting out here in a junkyard at a pull-it yard. Believe that? Pretty nice Kragers. I don't know if they can be restored or not. They didn't have the other front one. I got one front one. I got these two back ones on here. The back's all kind of caved in and bondoed up, and you can see all the fiberglass work they did on it here. Trunk doesn't open, but you can see again all the fiberglass work they did to it. Bondo. It's just like super thick back here. But pretty crazy to see out here in a pull-it yard. Glass, everything you need there. I think I'm gonna buy the wheels and the front bumper off of this thing. I don't know what else. I'll have to look and see if I need those bows for my headliner or not. If I need any of these brackets off this motor. Oh, and the radiator. I need that too. There it is. Oh, it has windshield trim too. I didn't even look at that yet. Got all the windshield trim around it. Got some sitting on the dash too. That part got wrecked. Probably can clean that out though. Doesn't have the little chrome pieces that sometimes go here. Looks like that quarter panel is kind of bowed up right there too. Look at all that Bondo they put on the window. Sweet. Rear end is underneath this thing, if we can see it. Look how bad that floor is. Fucking Bondo machine now. Looks like a pretty small rear end. Fairly new mufflers on there. Fairly new exhaust. Got some shocks in there. I can't really see the front of it. Try to get the camera in there. Oh. Got an old 74 satellite out here too, look at that. Those bucket seats, they're not right for the Charger, but they'll work. Oh, it's got the buddy seat in the middle. Somebody might need that. Still has the whole dash, steering column, door panels, everything. All the bows for the headliner. Yeah, good parts car. I don't know what engine's in there. Let's see. You never know, right? And I still don't know. Looks like a small block 318. Might be a 340. Look at that. Got the old Mustang out here. Pontiac Catalina. Oh, 71 Charger over there? Let's check that out. Look at the old... What is this, a Pontiac or a Buick? Lincoln. Yeah, it is a Lincoln. You're right. Look at those headlights. Plymouth. That's an old cop car there. That's like... oh, a Duster with the hood completely gone. A 71 Charger, there it is, look at that. Another Gran Torino. Cadillac. A couple of Mustangs. But damn, 71 Charger. Holy shit. He's parting that out or selling it?
Nah, everything's parked, man. He won't sell nothing.
He won't sell nothing, huh? Look at that. Parts only. Damn. I always loved how the windows came up on those versus like a 73 or 4. Bucket seats, console. Got the rear seat. Tail lights, everything. Bumper, the whole 9. Oh, let me zoom out. Get you guys all zoomed in. I don't think I can zoom out because I'm so sweaty right now. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like a 318 car. Small rear end. This wasp is trying to get me here. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Big old spider web over there. I think I'll go around. Yeah, there's the front end. Dropping the air fresheners. Look at that. Dodge. I don't even remember that Dodge. Wow. Fastback window, what is it? I don't know. Don't even remember this one ever being on the road.
Remember the old Challenger? The 80s Challenger?
Is that what that is? Oh, the 80s Challenger. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Wow. Yeah, they didn't make too many of those.
Mustangs over here. Mustang
And the Bug. Cadillac. Yeah, got the old custom wheels on there. 66. Oh, I need that trim piece. Yeah, I need that side trim piece, so I'll definitely come back for that. Same motor. Four lug. Forget what those are called. Yeah, he's got a decent little classic car collection back here. Yeah, that's old Boss Hog cop car right there.
Yeah.
From Dukes of Hazzard or something.
That's right.
Look at the rust on that thing. A Fiat truck out here with a California tag on it. And some kind of crazy Jeep.
Old Willie's Jeep.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty damn cool there. Looks like it came from the Michigan area or something.
Yeah.
Big old tow hitch on it.
Yeah. No, a mail truck.
Winch, yeah.
I didn't even ever seen that.
And the old CRX. Remember when I thought these things were cool?
They still like racing them.
They do, don't they? Yeah, they were cool, man. I always wanted one when I was in like high school, junior high school, you know?
Put it down around.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got a lot of parts on that one. Or total restoration. I don't know how much they're worth these days, I don't know. Got a Chrysler 300 Newport Custom out here too. We're trying to get the hood popped on it. See what kind of engine's in there. But overall, pretty nice car. Not too rusted out. Got dice in the mirror. Oh, I think he's got it open. Oh yeah. There we go.
Big block.
Yep, big block.
Huh?
Yep. Check that out. Look at these hideaway headlights. Hidden away in the weeds. And then over here, you can see the Chrysler 300 badge there in the center. Everything else pretty much covered by these weeds. But yep, it's got a big block in there. And I need all of those accessories right there. So that was definitely worth coming back here and popping the hood on this. And it's got a big block radiator versus that Coronet that has a small block radiator. I'm guessing, I can't see the rows in it, but there's the number on it. And that's all the numbers I can see for the motor. Two barrel, yeah.
Yeah, it's a two, probably 383.
Could be. Yeah, it could be 383.
Run the VIN on it.
Yeah, there is the VIN right there. Pretty cool, man. Chrysler
Thought you'd like it.
Newport Custom. 300 badge on it. With a big block. Yeah. And then, oh, I thought that was a Monza, but it's a Pontiac.
Oh, I thought it was a
Pontiac Sunbird. There you go. Been a long time since you've seen one like that, right? Looks like the Monza. They're almost like a Ford Pinto. And he's got a Dart over here too. Whoa, big old spider web there. I'm gonna go this way. Which way did I go? I came through here. Alright. Just mainly newer cars out here, but he's got some classics scattered out here. Like this plum crazy purple. I guess it's like a 74 Dart. I'm guessing 74 because the front grille like that. But somebody hot rodded it back in the day. They put a little stripe on the back. It says Mopar. And it's got bucket seats. Those bucket seats are pretty cool. Probably came out of a Cordova or something. Got the rear seat in there. All the stuff you need to put your car back together. They only sell parts here. Look at that old Aries sticker. Pretty cool. The old dream catchers and whatnot. Magic Dragon. But they don't sell whole cars here. They just sell parts. So, you know, if you need blue door panels or something, or dash or whatnot, swinger badge. I wonder if I can get that off of there. One more up top. Bink. There we go. Oh, swinger. I'll buy that for sure. See if they got another one. They do. Let's see if I can get that one.